BIS business intelligence system is a loss detection, decision and control system that combines record keeping, inventory management and intelligence system to help you dictate when you are about to make loss in your business and tells you what to do to stop it. It does this by tracking every business transaction, your sales, your purchases, your expenses, etc. So where I am right now is your dashboard. This is where you come every day to see how your business is doing. And you as a business owner, you are the only one that have access to this dashboard. So now let's record a sale. Now to record a sale, you make use of this. Now your salesperson, in case you have a salesperson, they can have access to this sales capture form. So even if you have 10 of them, 20 salespersons, they just need to have access. You just need to give them the link to this sales form. So let's assume we want to sell golden moon. We sell golden moon. So someone came to purchase golden moon and the person bought 2 golden moon. We sell at the price of 1,700. So let's say the person paid 1,700 as cash, made a transfer of 1,700. So POS is 0. So the agreed price was 1,700 for one. So staff name. So you can see, you can always track the staff that made any sale. So the staff, let's assume the staff is Deborah. And the customer name. Now you can also track your debtors. So if the customer did not buy complete, you can track your debtors. So BIS helps you to track debtors, so you don't forget the debts your customers are owing you. Okay, so let's put any name here, CJ. Then we submit. Okay, so let's go back and let's check. So let's come to our dashboard. So very soon now it will reflect on our dashboard. You will see it will, yes, that's reflected. So today's sales is down 3,400. Our gross profit position is 400. Net profit position 400. These are what is telling you that the cash sales was 1,700, transfer sales 1,700. So now with this, you are able to reconcile at the end of the day. You will know that all the money that came through transfer is so amount. All the money that came through cash sales is so amount. All the money that came through POS is so amount. So at the end of the day, it makes reconciliation easy. You should be able, whatever thing you have in your POS or whatever thing you have in your drawer should tally with what your system is telling you. So if it doesn't tally, it means you investigate. And this is how BIS help you to stop losing money in your business. So your gross profit position and your net profit position tells you the situation of your business. If your business is heading to profit or if it's heading towards loss. So now let's record expenses. But before we do that, there is something I forgot to show you immediately when we started. Now let's go to our inventory. We sold golden moon cereal. Now our inventory is telling us that the current stock we have is 40. That's our current stock of golden moon is 40. Now let's make another sale of golden moon and let's see what will happen. So all we click here. When we make another sale of golden moon, so we want to sell another sale of golden moon. Quantity, okay, product is golden moon. So golden moon cereal. Our quantity sold is 2. Our cash received with 0. Transfer received 0. So we received 3,400 through POS this time around. Agreed price is 1,700. So our staff name is Deborah and customer name is Checker. Okay, we submit. So I want you to see what that will reflect in our listing. So now before Let's go to our dashboard first and you see how it will reflect on the dashboard. Remember, this is our dashboard, just it has reflected immediately. So while I was still speaking, it reflected. So now let's go to our inventory. Remember that in our inventory, when we sold, you see golden moon has reduced. The current stock of golden moon is now 38. It's no longer 40. So how does this help your business? You are able to track what the stock your business have, the number of goods your business have. So at any time, at any point in time, you can just decide to do a mini stock taking of maybe a particular product. And if it doesn't tally with what the system is saying, then it tells you that something is going amiss in your business. So now let's see the purchase. Let's make a purchase. So here is your purchase form. So we want to purchase. Remember, our current stock of golden mon is 38. We want to make purchase of more golden mon cereal. And let's say we want to purchase 10 this time around at a cost price of 1,700. And now we'll put our expiry date. It also helps us to track expiry. So your products will sit sometimes you don't know that a product is about to expire. So this will tell you when a product is about to expire so that you will sell it out on time. So let's assume that this product is going to expire on the 31st of this May. Okay, so and cash paid. It also track the debt we owe our suppliers. So let's assume for 1,710 we're supposed to pay 17,000, so we only paid 10,000 as cash. We did not make any POS, we did not make any transfer, so we are owing this person 7,000. So recorded by me, supplier name. So because we are owing, food network, let's assume the name of our supplier, the name of the business is food network, so we submit. Okay, so now these are purchase. So remember we purchased golden mon 38 30 pieces of golden mon. Now you see it has changed. You can see it's a current stock of golden mon is now 48. So it helps you to track your stock level, and we can see that our other level is 20, so stock alert is okay. Now you can see that some places that our stock alert says restock, and this is because the current level is lesser than what we have. So we are to restock. This only back 28. This is 10 and this is 10. So it's giving us an alert to restock. So you don't lose sales because you didn't know you ran out of stock. That's what BIS helps you. And we can also see tracking of expiry. So you can see some products are expiring soon, already expired. But before your product will expire, if you are using BIS, before the product will expire, it will give you that this product is about to expire. It's up to you now to fast track the selling of that particular item, so it doesn't expire in your hand. And when it expires in your hand, you lose money. Okay, so now I would like us to make enter an expense. Okay, so this is where we record the expense. The day we made the expense is today. The category of expense, let's assume we made transport. We went to buy something and we paid 1,500. So we didn't make any transfer. We didn't make any POS. To send me. You can decide to put recorded by me. Can also is not compulsory to put record all this. So now let's go to our dashboard and let's see how this will be on our dashboard. So today's expenses is 1,500, and now that has impacted on our net profit position. You can say our net profit position is now minus 700. That means we are already in loss because today's expense is actually the net profit position is gross profit minus your expenses. So what you finally take home after making expenses. So minus 700 is telling you that your expenses is so high. That's to say you are heading towards loss. So let's see what our business will be telling you now. Your supplier debt is higher than your available cash. what your business is telling you today's session. You have products that may expire soon or already expired. You already saw that in our inventory. You recorded a loss today. That's our loss. Check expenses and prices. So you see, this is the loss minus 700. And it says check expenses. It means that our expense is more than our profit. So it's either is our expenses or is our pricing. Our pricing margin is tiny. So whenever your gross profit position or your net profit position is negative, it's telling you that something is wrong in your business. It's either your expenses are eating up your business or your price margin is too small, or maybe even both. Now, that's why I call it net profit position. It's telling you that something is wrong, or it could even be that your cost price, the cost price of the goods you bought is so high, higher than previously. Maybe you bought a product at 1,500 and you sell at 2,000. But when you want to restock, you bought same product at 1,900 and you are still selling at 2,000. You can see your price margin has reduced. So BIS helps you to know that your business position is now heading towards loss, because it's either is your pricing, you don't have good profit margin, or your expenses, or even your cost price. Now let's check more money is tied in stock than coming in. What's your cash flow? Your business is under cash pressure. So this tells you gives you an idea of what is happening in your business. So let's see other things now. For this business, we have products. We already saw it in our inventory that there are products that are about to expire. So you can see these products, Golden Moss Cereal, to be expiring on the 31st of May. Even that's the one we bought today. Remember, we bought some today. Clean penicillin and clean soap, clean detergent and clean soap will be expiring in this month of May. So you need to fast track the sale of this product. Then we have expired product. We already saw this in our inventory. We had one expired product. We have top suppliers you owe. So you can see the food network we registered just now, and these are other suppliers this business person is owing. So this business person in total is owing 20,000. Low stock. Now you can see stock products that are in low stock. Now we have our customer debt breakdown. These are the customers that are owing you. So 70,000 customers are owing this business 70,000. That's a whole lot of money. And you know what? With BIS, you track the customer debt payment. So as your customer are paying you, you are recording it, and this is reducing. What you see here is reducing. So this is just a demo, and it's to let you know that BIS help you track every transaction that goes on in your business, and it helps you to prevent loss. So you will not forget that Ugo is helping you. Oh, how much is Ugo owing me? Is it 10,000 or 8,000? And if Ugo pays 5,000, you record it. You see this amount here will decrease. Okay, so that's what BIS helps you. So enough of losing money in your business. Most business owners, you lose money to theft, cost staff debt. This also helps you. You monitor your stock, you monitor the money that comes in. This helps you. Losing money to expired product, to stock house, and any to pricing, to high cost price. This helps you detect that there is a loss going on in your business and tells you what to do about it. And it's really worth it. With just a one-time payment, you get access to this system. This system belongs to you. No subscription, no monthly subscription package. This becomes yours. And I tell you right now, as I'm talking to you, you may be losing. In fact, some of you are losing 100,000 naira, 200,000 naira monthly in your business, only that you are not aware. You aren't aware that little money that you lose due to pricing errors. You did not price your goods well. That little money you lose when someone asks you, do you have this product? And when you check, you find out that you didn't have the product. You are not aware on time. That sales you lose. By the time you calculate everything, you see you are losing several thousands of money, several thousands in your business right now. BIS will help you to stop those losses, and it's just